Hi, we are Mark 2400 students from Langara College, and we have a very important question for you. Do you want to be a superhero? There's a 50-50% chance that you'd say yes. Now, even if there are many superheroes out there, most of these supers have two things in common. They protect their communities, and they take care of them. For our project, this is the outcome we want. Our project is the Green Guardians. It's an integrated marketing communications campaign with two goals. One is to raise awareness about green rainwater infrastructure, its importance and impact on the city of Vancouver. Two is to recruit members of local communities in becoming stewards of green rainwater infrastructure. With these in mind, our strategy is to use different IMC elements and present it as superhero recruitment. Think of it like this. Vancouver's very own superheroes, the Green Guardians, is recruiting you to join the cause and be a steward for green rainwater infrastructures around the city. And there's no one more perfect for it than a volunteer like you.